Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to make profile on LinkedIn. So for this, I log into my account. It's a new account. So once you're logged in, then click on me and now go to view profile. So there, first of all, we will add a profile image. So for that, click on this plus icon and go to upload photos. So from there, you can choose the image and then click on save photo. So now your profile will be changed. Then we have contact information here. So first of all, we will add this. Click on contact information and here you need to enter your phone number. So click on this pencil icon in front of contact information and add your phone number, then your address and click on save. So now your contact information is added. Next we have add profile section. So I will click on it and there we have three options, that is core, and then we have recommendation and additional. So first of all, for an example, I will show you how you can add core sitting here. I add about and then I will add a description for my profile and then click on save. So now the information is saved. In the same way, we have multiple options that you can add the information here. Now if I go to recommended, so there you can see we have features option, then licenses, projects, courses. So you can add each and every information, like every minimal information. Then we have the additional setting, and in there we also have publications, patients, honors and rewards. Like you can add each and every certificate of yours here. Then we have experience section. You can add experience here. So first of all, you need to enter the title of your job that you experience, then employment type, and then company name. So I will add Microsoft here for an example and then click on save. Okay, so here we need to add a start date. So I will add a start date from January to uh, maybe 2022. Okay, then you can add description if you want, and also you can get help from AI. Then we will add skills here. So add the skill that you want, and if you want a different skill here, so click on add skill and search for the skill, so you will find it. Now click on save. Once you click on save, it will save your skills and also your experience. Now if we move forward, there we have education section option. So experience is added. Now in education section, click on add education and here add your education. So I will add mine here. So I will simply add the school name first, then the degree type, which is bachelor's. Once you enter the degree here, then the field of study. Okay, now you can add a start date and end date here. So let me add that. Okay, so now the end date is mentioned here. Okay, then you can add your grade and then any additional information or description, so you can add it too. Now click on save and then your education information will be saved, as you can see. So now your profile is almost ready. The thing left is the background or the start, so you can add it too. So in this way you can make profile on LinkedIn. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.